Other new inventory, 1957 Chevrolet 210 two-door sedan, Gypsy Red over beige and tan. That's got a 6.2 liter LS3, as we were just talking about, 430 horsepower. 4L60E automatic transmission, classic auto air. This thing is restomodder or a custom.
Yeah.
It's jewelry. I mean, it's really nicely done. Wheelwood disc brakes, got an updated suspension. It looks like it's got the mid-range trim packages. There was a 150, the 210, and the Bel Air back in 55, 6, and 7. And 210, this one is the mid-range. And a lot of people use this when they customize them because they don't want to tear up a Bel Air.
Right.
And of course, it costs them more to go buy the Bel Air in the first place. So you buy a 210 or a 150, and then you make it look like a Bel Air, but with, higher horsepower engine and modern conveniences and heat and air and nice brakes and radial tires and yada, yada, yada.
I really like the base and mid-range Tri-5s.
Yeah.
They're cool in their own way.
Yeah, I think that, and this one's interesting, the guy won it in a raffle.
Oh, really?
I don't know where the raffle was, but and then he put a LS3 in it and kind of went crazy with it. And, good for him. Listen, there's different strokes for different folks. And just because you do like something or don't like something doesn't make it right or wrong.